Well, no matter how you feel about it, the Supreme Court's decision sent shockwaves across the country and across generations.
CBS 8's Kirsten Holmes spent the day volunteering with Girls Inc., a mentorship program serving diverse middle through high school girls across San Diego. She joins us now here in the studio. Kirsten, what was their reaction to today's ruling?
Yeah, they were all pretty shocked. Girls Inc., the program that they attended today, addresses issues like self-esteem, body image, and sexual health. So this is a topic they did not shy away from. After overturning Roe versus Wade, a law that's provided for abortion rights for these girls' entire lives, they told me that this was a pretty big deal.
I was really shocked, and I immediately was really scared.
I really thought that after all of the rallies that have happened in the past few months, I really thought that they would take all of that backlash from the public and acknowledge it.
Christina, Alexa, and Samantha were just a few of the students at the Girls Inc. Summer Conference at San Diego State University on Friday. Samantha says the news is still fresh.
I was on the way here, and I think it's just coming to a place like this where we're doing so much fighting. It's honestly so disappointing because we're doing so much fighting for female empowerment, and this just sets back.
Girls Inc. inspires students, specifically girls across San Diego County, to be strong, smart, and bold with group activities, panels, and speakers like the first Mexican-American in space, Katia Echezarreta. Some girls who didn't want to speak on camera say they consider themselves pro-life and don't believe in abortion for themselves, but they say they believe all women should have a choice about their bodies and their families. Still, Alexa says she's confused that despite polls saying the majority of Americans want to protect abortion rights, Roe v. Wade was still overturned.
America represents this country of freedom and justice, and a lot of the times we don't even see that from them. We don't see that from our government.
We're taking away the rights that women have. It's not just affecting our generation, it's affecting our future generation.
But these young women say they still have hope.
If maybe we keep fighting, if we keep using our voices, then it's not going to die down. Then they actually have to do something about it.
We need to speak up using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, everything. We have so many technological advancements to make a change using our voices.
And they're powerful voices. And Kirsten, we were talking in the newsroom earlier. For people who think that we're only hearing one side of this issue, there's a reason you've found out and feel difficult to find people who will voice their opinion when it comes to opposing abortion rights.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. The same is true for younger girls. Remember how it was when you were between 13 and 17 years old? If you had the minority opinion or the unpopular opinion, sometimes it's really hard to differentiate yourself from the group. But they were definitely there. They were pro-abortion rights, and then some people who felt like abortion wasn't their choice. But we all recognize that it's kind of hard to have these conversations, but we're so excited that we were able to have those conversations with those girls today.
And really, they're at such an impressionable age. We do want to give a shout out to the ladies who did step forward and talk candidly and very articulately about their feelings and beliefs with you.
Exactly. That is what is so inspiring out of the next generation. No matter how they work it out, they're there and they're hopeful.
And shout out to Girls Inc. for helping them grow and spread their wings.
Thank you for that.
Thanks, Kirsten.